First thing in ECG, doctor, the rate, heart rate, how will you calculate? If you know your right hand is on right side, left hand is on left side, earth is below you, sky is above you, you know ECG. Okay? Because there is an AVF, there is an AVL, there is an AVR. So it's only right, left and bottom. Your parietal lobe, which gives spatial configuration, if it is still working, you know ECG. And if you say ECG is, I did not understand, problem is with parietal dysfunction. So parietal lobe dysfunction. Okay? Basically ECG strip moves with some speed. It can't move like Shatabdi Express, it can't move like GT Express. 25 mm per second. इसमें होता है small squares, large squares. Each large square में होता है 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. कितने हो गए? 25 small squares, right? Horizontally अगर लिए तो 5 small squares constitute 1 large square. And 1 small square is about 1 mm, and since it moves at 25 mm per second, 1 small square will inflict about how many seconds? 0.04 seconds. 0.04 into 5 become 0.2 seconds अगर एक large square plot हो गया है तो. So now you know horizontally it will measure what? Time, because strip is moving and tracing is happening. So horizontal axis is what? Time. Each small square is 0.04 seconds and each large square is 0.2 seconds. Then basically you have the P, QRS and then T. Then P, QRS, T. This R and the next R. This is one contraction, that is another contraction. How many large squares are there in the middle? You try to calculate. Okay? How many large squares are there? 300 divided by the number of large squares between two R waves will give you the rate. ठीक है? अगर four large squares are there between two R waves, how much is the rate, doctor? 300 by 4 is 75. If there are only 3 large squares between two R waves, what is the rate? 300 by 3 is 100. अगर आप स्मॉल स्क्वायर को कैलकुलेट करने का ख्वाहिश है समझो, नहीं होना चाहिए आइडियली, मगर है समझो, तो 1 large square is how many? 5 small squares. So numerator should be 300 into 5. एंड जितना भी आप स्मॉल स्क्वायर्स कैलकुलेट किया वो डिनोमिनेटर हो जाएगा. ठीक है? सो दैट्स हाउ यू कैलकुलेट दी रेट. खत्म. फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज ओवर. टोटली यू कैलकुलेट 75 points will be there in ECG. By the time you know 75 points in ECG, you are Chaturvedi, Ganapati in the Veda of ECG. Okay. Now doctor, 1 R wave, other R wave, 1 large 300, 2 large 150, 3 large 100, like that you will go. Okay. Then when will you use small squares? Suppose the heart rate is very fast, 1 R and other R, even 1 large box is also not there, only half large box only is there. Then you will take small boxes and use numerator as 1500. Okay? Then how will you interpret? A nurse in the ward came to you and asked you, doctor, tell me what is meant by bradycardia. Slow heart rate. Kitta slow? 50, 40, 30, 20, 10. So that's the reason keep teaching not only your other colleague doctors but also nurses, ward boys also we used to teach.